This crystal is beyond saving. Its fractures are deep and widespread. A complete replacement is necessary.
And through the cracks we see the dial has suffered too, with signs of moisture and age.
The first step is always careful preparation, securing the watch to prevent further damage during disassembly. This initial opening often tells us a lot about its history.
Just as I feared. Dust and moisture have caused some initial corrosion right here. Each screw is a miniature guardian of its secrets.
With the bezel off, we can finally remove the broken crystal and see the dial clearly. The extent of the water damage is more apparent now. The dial requires careful cleaning, and those hands, they are quite warped.
These hands have seen better days. They'll need careful straightening, or perhaps even replacement if the metal integrity is compromised. Beneath the dial lies the true heart of the watch, the movement itself.
The movement. A beautiful complexity, but it clearly hasn't been serviced in decades.
This corrosion is concerning. It suggests moisture has penetrated deeper into the mechanism, potentially affecting other components. Here we have a damaged gear. A chipped tooth like this will prevent the train from moving smoothly, stopping the watch entirely. The mainspring, the very heart of its power, is broken. This is a common failure point in old watches. Even a tiny speck of dust or a slight bend can completely stop the watch.
This is where the power from the mainspring is transferred, step by tiny step.
The center wheel drives the minute hand. Its integrity is paramount.
A specialized cleaning solution is essential to remove decades of grime and hardened oils.
Even the tiniest gears must be perfectly clean for the watch to function accurately.
This dial has seen a lot of life, and it shows. The stains are deep.
Cleaning the dial is a delicate art. Too much pressure, and you can erase history.
Much better. The character of the dial is preserved, but its beauty is revealed once more.
Even the slightest warp in a hand can cause it to snag or drag.
Perfect. They are ready to tell time accurately once more. A new mainspring, the very heart, ensuring years of reliable power.
Each jewel bearing receives a microscopic drop of oil to minimize friction and ensure smooth operation. Each gear must interlock flawlessly for the watch to keep accurate time.
A balance wheel, the very heart, now ready to beat again.
There it is, the first beat. With the dial in place, the hands can now be reinstalled, ready to mark time.
Now, for the scientific verification of its performance.
Excellent. The readings confirm it is running perfectly, as it should. Now that the interior is flawless, we turn our attention to the exterior's final presentation.
It is complete, restored to its former glory.
Each line, each curve, a testament to its craftsmanship.
Each watch tells a story, and it is an honor to help continue it.
Another day's work is done.